I'm cutting up this rutabaga. I have 2 in here, and I already put some in this bag right here. This is a bag, Ziploc bag that I had, and I'm gonna go and fill that with these rutabagas here. This is what a rutabaga look like. It's a waxy coating on it, and you peel it and you cook it with some kind of fat back or something like that. And this is a root. That's why they call it a rutabaga. I'm going to show you how to make rutabagas. And that is 1 ham hock. And I'm going to put 2 ham hocks in here. Put some onions. And season to taste. These are the seasonings that I will be just putting in there. Not the chill seeds, but those right there. Probably a tablespoon of each. As I stir the seasoning in it, put a top on it and let it cook on a low flame for 2 hours. Well, first of all, I'm going to let that cook for 1 hour, and then I'll put the rutabagas in it afterwards. I've gotten the meat kind of tender before it goes in. The seasoning, you can use season to your taste. I just use the seasoning that I like. I'm showing you how the meat is tender. So now I'm going to put the rutabagas in and cook them until they are tender. That's what they look like. They were frozen after I cut them up. And I put them in this pan here to deposit them in here. You eat your rutabagas maybe with some cornbread, fried chicken, maybe even some cabbage if you want some greens to go with them on the side. And you just let them cook. I had to let those ham hocks cook for 3 hours because they were not tender like they are now. But I could have let them cook for 2 hours and then put the rutabagas in it and then let it cook for another hour. But this way the ham hock is going to fall apart in the rutabagas. They're ready. Let me dip some up just to show you what they look like once they're done. Let me turn the oven off. That's what rutabagas look like once they're done. And this is Val, but this is how you do it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that everything button. If you want to see some of that ham hock, let me get a good look at that too. Rutabagas and ham hock. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye now.